Hi Midrand Montessori children and parents. I hope you're all safe and well at home. Today we're going to do a fun science experiment to show us why it is important to use soap when we wash our hands. The indirect aims for this experiment is hygiene, independence, attention to detail, responsibility, and it helps us expand our knowledge about the world that we live in. For this experiment, you'll need a container or bowl, a jug for water, a paper towel or cloth, some black pepper, and if your child is not able to use the grinder, pre-ground pepper into a container, soap that I've dispensed into a container also. So tell your child that today you're going to do an experiment to explain why it is important to use soap. Begin by unpacking the tray. And ask the child to go get some water. Now ask your child to pour the water into the container. And explain to the child that this is black pepper, but for the experiment we're going to pretend that it is germs. Explain to the child what germs are. So germs are tiny living organisms that are very small, and if they go into your body, they can make you very sick. Germs also live everywhere. They live on your hands, on your toys, in your room, in your bathroom, and even on your pets. So it's very important that we protect ourselves from germs. Ask the child if they would like to put their finger into the bowl with all the germs. And when they bring it out, can you see that there's germs on my finger? Now ask the child to open the soap container. Put your finger inside the soap and see what happens. So can you see that the germs do not like soap, and that's why it's very important that we use soap to clean our bodies and wash our hands. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and you have lots of fun doing it with your little ones.